Hello students, these are the four exercises from exercise number 95 to exercise number 98 from the chapter number 25, diphonic or two vowel sign. Let's start with exercise number 95. Be ready? Start. Lay, layer, pair, player, gaiety, gayest, aeronaut. Next is theater, theory, theoretical, reinvest, re-engage, re-enter. Next is amiable, marrying, caring, agreeable, ideal, idealist. Next is borrow, borrower, grow, grower, low, lower, lowest. Next is brew, brewer, brewery, flu, fluent, blue, bluish. Next is miscellaneous, mysterious, insidious, victorious, furiously. Next is exercise number 96. Be ready? Start. Slay, slayer, bay, bayonet, air, aerometer. Next is pay, payable, betray, betrayer, obey, abeyance. Next is re, real, really, reinforce, readdress, readmission. Next is below, billowy, blow, blower, co, coincide. Next is hero, heroic, snow, snowy, slow, slowest. Next is cruel, brewing, jewel, reunion, sorry, ruinous, ruinous, ruination. Next is exercise number 97. Be ready? Start. The various rooms in the British Museum are the resort of the theologian, the geologist, the historian, and the scholar in every department of science and art. There are to be found relics of the Assyrians, the Babylonians, and other ancient nations long since passed away. Wonderful specimens of beautiful Indian and other Oriental arts and crafts, miscellaneous ornaments ingeniously carved and showing the most delicate work and the liveliest imagination of the artist are to be seen in the museum. No wonder that it exercises a great attraction for the visitor to London. Next is exercise number 98. Be ready. Start. Dear Mr. Brewer, it is to be regretted that the arrangement with the band of the Cleopatra has fallen through, but I shall be able to rearrange the program and it will not affect the gaiety of the members of the Lyceum on Monday. We have had to reappoint the late manager of the local theatre as master of ceremonies because he knows the ceremonial to be observed, and we shall have to reassemble the members of the chorus and readmit those who retired last June. I am worrying the decorators and doing my utmost to make these slowest of slow people finish their work. Very truly yours. So these are the 4 exercise from chapter number 25. आप लोगों को कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.